Everybody, a quick tip in case you didn't know it. One of the reasons that I post links like this for flipping physics are to go to Mr. P's website, for one thing, but the reason I'm doing that instead of just embedding the YouTube video or the link is that he has other resources here to help you make the most of this video resource. So first, there's a little summary of what's going on in here. So if you're interested in skipping around a little bit, you can find out what the times are. But then also see right here where it says lecture notes. He has lecture notes for every single video. Most of these are typed. Some of his earlier ones are actually notes written by students in his class, which is adorable. But you'll see that there's a written summary of the content of the video. Some of you would prefer to read, or you would prefer to have a text backup for what you just listened to during a video. This is a great resource. All right, just wanted to show you that. So again, where is that? At the bottom of every single video, there's a little lecture notes link right there. So you can watch the video and then you can look at the lecture notes. All right, thanks.